Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to Study with Nova. Welcome in Study with Nova. So today I will show one question about how to make I think it is same like before, but the difference is the value is just like add one by one. So the last question is about to we make a default value, maybe like a 0 and a 15, or we add the increment number, maybe 100, 1000. So the difference is here is we just only add one by one. If we calling meaning the like increment calling the method or look attribute, I forget, it just add one, and then if we calling again it just add one. So add an attribute called login attempt to your user class from exercise 9.3, and then I would like to copy this code. We have this code and then copy to 9.5 here, and then write another method called increment login attempt that increment the value login attempt by 1. Write another method. Okay. Before that, I would like to add what do you mean the login attempt pts is 0. Is 0 here, and then here I would like to add the method. What is the method? Increment login attempt. Increment login attempt here, and then self, and then number, maybe, I don't know, let's say it's number, and write another wait, and then here self dot login at team is plus 1. Wait, is it true? Wait, make an instant and write another method called reset login attempt that reset the value and login attempt to 0 again. Okay, is it true if I by default is 0 here? I don't know. Here here, how is it? Is it true? Okay, here, but I just wanna delete this because make any send the user class and call increment login attempt several times, print the value login to make sure it was increment properly, and then call reset login attempt, print login attempt to make sure it was reset to 0. And I think I don't wanna change the number because this is just add 1, and then I would like delete here. Maybe I just want add 1. Okay lah, here. Yes, this is just calling the method. Okay, done. Okay. reset login, yes, and then 0 here, and make instance. We have instance that user call increment attempt several times here. Make instance we here user dot here increment login here 1, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is, and then you just print f what the meaning user class call print the value of login attempt increment per the value of login f not here f of login here is here. So I would say that user dot here user dot login attempt. Yeah, is it true? Let's try. No, it's not. Wait, login attempt. What's the wrong here? Okay, 95 and 33 here. Wait a minute. I forgot to add self here. So yeah, okay, then okay, we must add self here to initialize to attribute. Okay, print the value of login 6, right? Because I calling the method 6, and make instance. Okay, print the value of login to make sure it was increment properly, because we calling 6 times, and then call the reset a time print login a time again to make sure it was reset to 0, and then we just calling the user here and then reset login a time, and then print print value after reset here, and then you just add same user dot login a time here, because the login a time will be 0. Yes, done. It's easy, right? So the keyword is, don't forget to add self here in the login at time, and then yeah, the increment login at time is just only self, because we don't have a number here. Why? Because it is just like add 1 by 1. If we calling 1 and then we calling 2, so that's why it's plus and equal here, and then the self reset login at time is back to here to reset login to 0, like this just like. So that's why if we printed user login at time, and then because we calling is 6 times, that the value of the print value of login is 6. If we just user dot reset login at times for the method here, and then that's why the number, the value is 0. So it is, I think it is much more easier than before, because we just like add 1 by 1. Before we have like a default value, and then we add the value itself. I think it's much more, a little bit complicated. Okay, done. And then don't forget to add what's the parent increment attributes. Okay, then yes. Okay, let's try another question. Bye bye.